There we go. I know you're sad, but I don't have a good place for you. Because here we go. Here we have the Joseph L. block. And they are actually probably better up here, isn't it? Maybe I'll just be up here for a moment. Ooh, it's really bright. Really bright. Let me turn that down a touch. There we go. That's a bit better. Ooh. Okay. As I was saying, the Joseph L. block. They're making a very quiet approach here in Sault Ste. Marie, Michigan. And they're running pretty deep here. About 27 feet. They got themselves a pretty good load, apparently. Such a nice looking paint job. I like their color scheme. It's so quiet. I'm going to be quiet here for just a bit so you can appreciate how quiet it is. Like the seagull is louder than the ship. You know? How crazy is that? So today is, let's say, Thursday, the 20th of June. I had to think about that for a second. And as you can see, it's a bit cloudy. Today was a lovely weather day. It was like mid-70s, a little bit of a breeze. Like, oh, so nice after the previous few days of being so hot and humid. That, whew, yeah, it was kind of rough here for a bit. Let's see, they got the gangway open. It's really dark in there. I can see clear through. But anyway, that's the weather report. Just riveting things I talk about. We are supposed to, oh, happy summer solstice, by the way. This is the longest day of the year, or I guess most daylight day of the year. Which is like good, but also that means every day gets shorter now, you know? I'm like double fisting here because I am using my big camera to record, and I wanted to take a picture with my phone. So I'm multitasking, which means I'm probably doing neither of them effectively. There we go. So yes, happy summer solstice. And the weekend is supposed to be rainy, thunderstormy. That's the technical term, thunderstormy. Yep, it's important when you're communicating to use precise language so there's no confusion. But so I'm trying to enjoy today, and this weekend Also, this is what's called Summer Field Day for the ham radio people in the United States and Canada. So it's the most active day, I believe, of the year. I'm not sure if it's the whole world or just in the United States and Canada, but there'll be something like 40,000 radio operators all making contacts for field day. And I'm presently debating, I was going to set up my own radio out, somewhere in the field, but with thunderstorms and rain, it's kind of expensive equipment. So I've been invited to go over to the Canada side to be part of their field day at an established location, which I'm contemplating. Not been to Canada much lately since things didn't work out with my now ex-girlfriend. But, it might be nice to head over there, grab a Tim's, and play some radio. So we'll see. See how that goes. But that pole right there is very quickly going to get in my way. Yeah. There on a Joseph L. Block. It's a good looking ship. Of course they, I guess I would call them sister. Not really sister ship. The Wilfred Sykes. Bigger, older sister. Smaller, older sister. Anyway. Yeah. There we go. Pretty nice. Let's see if I can. I know someone feels like he's been left behind. Don't you, dog? Okay, just a second. Okay. There he is. Let's see if we can get him to. There we go. Sit. There we go. Over here. There we go. Sit. Stay. Stay. There we go. There we go on the Joseph L. Block. I think I'm going to close it out right here. So thanks for joining us on the first day of summer. Hope you're having a great day. Hopefully this is a great summer for all of us. And yeah, Argo and I'll be back soon. Ready to see a really happy dog? I mean, a really happy dog. Argo, come.